Up the farm today and just trying to water the plants, get the trees all watered. But the boys are busy, they've got loads of jobs to do, they're all away on another job at the moment, so we've got to wait. I want this filled in next door as well, but it's just a waiting game. When it's cold weather, the Thai people like to sleep, they didn't want to come to work. So that's basically it. So that's my KFC, all my chickens. Loads and loads. They come over the wall, I don't know what they're... I'll make a wee house and I'll stay over here, maybe lay eggs in my house. But it's my mother-in-law's, but she doesn't look after them. But she's got a lot. Oh, look. So the other side, we're selling land at the other side. We've already sold four plots. What 4 plots are sold? Another 4 to go. One's under contract. The people's supposed to buy it, but we'll see. That'll be later on in the month. So hopefully maybe 5s will be. Hopefully. I've got the grass cutters in at the moment to clean it all up. But the buffaloes come every day and they eat all the grass. Saves a lot of bother. We don't got to pay men to cut it. They do all the job. Just got to burn that bit because that bit's a bit long, brushy. Okay, the cows wonder what I'm doing. Moo. What do you want? But she's young. She's not very old. But today we're putting up the more posts so people can see the land. A lot of people can't see where the other side's about 90 metres, so people can't see the posts. So we're putting new ones up today and going to paint them white. So we're going to do that. But down here, 1.5 rai, 295,000. This is a new, this is made for the government. It's going to be a new concrete road. They've already done that side and put electric poles in and made all that concrete and internet. So this one's next. So we donated the land, we gave the land to the government, and now they're making the road straight down. So we've put posts up and we've made the hard base for the concrete. So they've got the easy job. The concrete bit's the easiest part. This was the old road here that ran through here. It was 5 metres, but they wanted it to that side, so I had to move it over. All this rubbish is going to go in the ground. It's all from the house. This is going to get filled in. But I want to take the nice soil out here, and I want to put the nice soil here and raise this garden higher. So that's my next job. Get the macro down, dig that corner, take out nice soil, and then just fill it in with rubbish. The rubbish can get all filled in here. Okie doke. Everything's moving forward, and I'm making it a sliding gate. I didn't like that gate at all. I want to make it a slider. But everything takes time. Don't be in a hurry in Thailand, because you just got to wait. When the time's right, the people will come to work and the people will help. But building a house can be slow, especially if the builder's got 2 or 3 jobs on and he's trying to work for you for maybe 4 or 5 days and got another job for 3. They work it like that, 3 days for you and 4 days for them, and they come back. It's very difficult to get a builder that'll just be dedicated to your house. Okay, doke. That's my wee rant for the day. Bit lovely here. Only 20 minutes from Udonthani, but so quiet. So this wee house is for my daughter. People say it's small inside. It's 50 square metres. So all the people that's moaning are probably the people that are in condos, 30 square metre condos. That's a 50 square metres inside. And a good sized bedroom, big living room. And it was going to be a kitchen at the far end. I made a separate kitchen. So this here is going to be a carport, and where the tank is, that's all going to be concrete, and we'll make it an outside kitchen here for cooking. It's all under control, but people, they shout too much and they moan too much. People with no money always talk the most. That's what I think. But I know what I'm doing. But it takes a wee bit longer, but the price is good. So that's the carport. From here, going to be concrete, and we'll take it right back to the concrete there. And where the chicken is, we'll put up a wall there and make a kitchen over there for outside cooking. And it's on, you're under cover. When you come out of the house, you've got nearly 2.5 metres cover. And you've got a path to go around. What more do you want, eh? But it's a lovely place. She's happy getting it. Then after this area here is going to be the main house. We'll build a house here. But I don't know if we're going to stay in it. If we're going to build it. We'll see what happens. I like it. She doesn't like it here too much, but I like it. But over there's our workers help us over there. But only one man today turned up to burn the rubbish and to help us. Okay, doke. Go to Udonthani now, do another job, and then come back in the afternoon. But if you need a bigger plot of land as well, if you want to rent a plot to maybe park one of these knockdown houses, that's 6 Rye down here. You could park a house on that, no problems at all. No problem. Okay doke, let's go down and get another job done.